Hi, I'm here today to talk to you about barbecue sauce. And I want to tell you a little bit about how you can make a barbecue sauce at home using ingredients in your pantry exactly to your own specifications. So it turns out that all barbecue sauces basically follow a similar ratio, and that's 10 parts umami, 6 parts acid, 3 parts sugar, and 1 part spice. And for an extra added bonus, you can use some aromatics. I have thyme here. Umami is the result of amino acids called glutamates. And glutamates can be occurring naturally, as they do in tomatoes, for example, but they also can be teased out of proteins in different processes like cooking or curing or preserving or even slow roasting and barbecuing. So why does barbecue sauce taste so good on barbecue meats? It's because you're basically layering that umami taste. You have the barbecue meats, which are slow roasted, so that means that you have browning and lots of flavor. You have caramelization of the sugars. That also creates flavor. Then you have your barbecue sauce, which is full of umami, slathered on top, and you basically have umami taste to the 10th power. And now I'm gonna show you how to make a peach bacon little bourbon barbecue sauce. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do for our peach bacon little bourbon barbecue sauce is cook our bacon. Bacon is gonna be part of that 10 parts of umami. We're just gonna cook it off, render off the fat, throw away the fat, and put the bacon back in. This will take about 8 minutes on medium heat. Okay, so I have my bacon that I've cooked down and discarded all the fat. I'm using the same pan that I cooked the bacon in. It has all those brown bits on the bottom, so that's just gonna add more flavor to our sauce. Now all I have to do is bring this up to a simmer, cook it down until it gets thick for about 15 minutes, and my barbecue sauce is ready to go. So now that you know this basic ratio, you can make any kind of barbecue sauce that you like. You saw me make this peach bacon little bourbon sauce, but you could also switch the acid out from apple cider vinegar to mustard and make a mustard-based sauce. This one's gonna be really good on pulled pork. You could also switch the acid out to something like red wine or red wine vinegar, and that's what we've done right here. So this is a red wine-based barbecue sauce that's gonna be really good on some grilled cauliflower. If you wanted to, you could go really crazy with the ratio and make a white barbecue sauce. This one focuses most on mayonnaise. It has a little bit of acid, lemon juice, and vinegar, but really mayonnaise is the focus of this sauce. It's gonna be great on grilled chicken. So we love barbecue sauce because of the umami. And now that you have this ratio, you can make barbecue sauce at home and enhance all of your favorite dishes.